So, you want your BigCommerce store to show up for AI shoppers. Let's walk through how to do it. AI shopping is coming, for sure. But here's the thing, can those new AI agents even find your stuff? Well, right now, the answer is no. BigCommerce doesn't speak that AI language, at least not out of the box. But don't worry, there's a fix. It's called UCP, and it's basically the digital map for AI. And you've actually got options. There are 3 main ways you can get this set up on your store. Okay, method 1 is the easiest. Just upload a file using WebDAV. Super simple for a quick start. So which path do you take? Well, it really just depends on what your store needs. For the more advanced methods, your store's existing APIs are actually perfect for this kind of thing. These APIs let AI agents browse products, check categories, and even handle a shopping cart for you. Now, it's super important to know, this just makes you discoverable. Full AI checkout is a whole other project. All right, ready to get started? You can actually use a free community tool to do this right now. First step, go to UCPTOOLS.dev. You're going to generate the specific profile your store needs. Step 2, use that same tool to validate everything. It'll confirm that AI agents can find you. Think of it like this. You're giving your store a digital name tag, so AI knows you're open for business. So, your store is now discoverable. The real question is, what's the next big thing for AI in your business?